Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok not working properly. If it is not, then the first thing is check for update. So you want to go inside your app store and search for TikTok. Because sometimes due to lack of update as well, it causes this problem. So my TikToks is open, which means my TikTok is already up to date. But if it shows you update over here instead of open, click on it to update your TikTok. And once you update your TikTok, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the next thing what you can do is just, inside of your TikTok, you want to click on your profile at the bottom right. Now, once you're in your profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right and click on where it says setting. Inside of settings, scroll all the way down, click on free up space. Over here, click on clear on the cache and click on clear. Now click on clear on downloads as well and click on clear. And now try to use your TikTok, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you need to go to your browser and check if TikTok servers are working or not. So just search for, now once you search for is TikTok working down detector, click on where it says down detector. And it's going to show you if TikTok servers are working or not. So it says user reports indicate no current problem at TikTok, which means TikTok is working properly, its servers are not down. So the problem is not with the server, it's with your TikTok. In that case, all the steps which I just showed you should fix the problem. If it didn't, then the last option is just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. And it should probably fix it. That's how we guys can fix your TikTok not working. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.